everyone, Julie Lewis here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and I'm here to present to you an amazing condo at 290 Liberty Street North in Bowmanville. Let's take a tour. So upon entry, you're greeted with this awesome space that has a large closet and a beautiful kitchen. It's gorgeous, and you have a dining room space, but check out that amazing living room, natural light, beautiful balcony, has everything you need. The bedroom is absolutely massive at 290 Liberty Street North in Bowmanville, and it even has a walk-in closet. You also have a beautiful 4-piece bathroom, and in this closet to my left here, you have your very own laundry. This condo is amazing because you have this awesome space where you can play pool or play cards, watch a movie, hang out with your friends and family, and there even is a full kitchen. How incredible is that? And how about this awesome gym? It's all part of condo living here at 290 Liberty Street North. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me of 290 Liberty Street North in Bowmanville, Unit 305. I'm on the balcony now. It's gorgeous. You have an amazing view, and I know you want to buy it. So call that number above, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest homes for sale.